Okay, today I'll be showing you how to remove the top or the lid of the Keurig coffee maker. There's your top or lid, whatever you might want to call it. Let's get started. I'm going to move the water tank first of all. You're going to lift the lever up, and there are two Phillips head screws that must be unscrewed to remove the lid. And there they are right there, left and right. Not too difficult to get to, but you're gonna need, I didn't videotape this, but just basically, remove them lefty-loosey. And there's the two screws that came out that secured the top or the lid to the coffee maker. Okay, to remove the lid or top, you're gonna have to lift the lever up, push forward, and lift up. It's just that simple. Lift the lever up, push the top or lid forward, and lift up and pull out. Lift the lever up, push forward, lift the top up, and pull out. Okay, here's a side view of removing the top. Lift the lever up, push in, and lift out. Pull up. Push in, pull out. Okay, once again, lift the lever up. Do not pull out. Do not pull out. You got to push in first. Push in first. Push. Lift the lever up. Push in. Lift the rear of it up and pull out. Very simple. Okay, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And also you can donate for the production of this video. Many, many more videos to come around for DIY projects around the home. Have a good one.